Today, I am beyond excited to share my experience with the Apple Watch Series 10. Party popper, this watch is not just another tech gadget, it's a transformation. It has won me over in almost every way, and trust me, you don't want to miss this review. So, grab a snack, sit back, and let us dive into the incredible world of the Series 10. First things first, the design. The Series 10 is here to celebrate its 10th birthday, and what a birthday it is. Birthday cake. Apple has made it slimmer, lighter, and sleeker than ever before. Imagine that. This beauty has managed to shrink while also expanding its capabilities. Not only does it have a larger screen, but it also packs more health tracking tools than ever. One feature that I absolutely adore, the ability to play music directly through the speaker. Raising hands, you know those moments when you forget your headphones during a walk or run? No worries. Just connect your music, and you're all set. The feeling of wearing this watch is incredible. It's like wearing a piece of innovation on your wrist, reminding you that technology can be both functional and fashionable. Glowing star. Let us talk about that stunning display. The Series 10 comes equipped with LTP3 technology that brings a beautiful, clear display. It can go down to a 1 Hz refresh rate, which means you can finally enjoy a ticking second hand on the always-on display. Watch. And for all the healthcare workers out there, this feature is especially beneficial. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about practicality. Now, you have two size options, 42mm and 46mm, providing even more screen real estate for easy typing and app navigation. I mean, look at how much clearer everything is. It feels like a true leap forward in usability. Party popper. When you glance at this watch, it doesn't just feel like an Apple Watch, it feels like a premium, traditional wristwatch. Now, let us talk about one of the standout features, voice isolation. I had the chance to test it out in a noisy environment, and wow, I was blown away. Imagine standing in a crowded space and being able to have a clear conversation. I was at Lion Dance Me in San Francisco, and even with all that chaos around me, my voice came through loud and clear. Musical notes. Listening back, I couldn't believe how effective the voice isolation was. It's like having your own personal bubble of sound, making phone calls and FaceTime chats so much more enjoyable. And guess what? The speaker can pump out music at around 90 dB. Musical notes. You can enjoy your favorite tracks without needing headphones, making it perfect for casual listening when you're on the go. Just picture this, a sunny day, your favorite playlist blasting, and you're feeling unstoppable. But don't worry, it won't disturb those around you. You can jam out without being the center of annoyance. Raising hands. Health features and sleep tracking 535 to 634. Now, we have to discuss health features because that's where the Apple Watch Series 10 really shines. It can detect signs of sleep apnea using its accelerometer, which is particularly groundbreaking. I know many of us struggle to get a good night's sleep. With the Series 10, you will be empowered to understand your sleep patterns better. However, the blood oxygen sensor is not available in the US due to a patent dispute. But don't fret. This watch makes up for it with other advanced metrics. It needs at least 10 nights of sleep data to begin tracking effectively, and I can't wait to share my results once I've gathered enough data. Bar chart. Now, let's tackle one of the hot topics, battery life. And, to be honest, this is the one area that has me wishing for more. The Series 10 lasts only about a day and a half with moderate use. That is still not enough for my busy lifestyle. Weary face. However, there is a silver lining. Apple claims that it can charge to 80% in just 30 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. So even if you're in a hurry, a quick charge can get you back on track. But here's the catch. To benefit from the fast charging, you will need the fast charger included in the box along with at least a 20W adapter. It's a step in the right direction, but I believe longer battery life is something we all crave, especially for a device that tracks our health and fitness while we sleep. So, while the Apple Watch series may tempt not be the dramatic redesign we were hoping for to celebrate its 10th anniversary, I genuinely think it's a significant update. If you're coming from older models like the Series 4, 5, or 6, the Series 10 will feel like a brand new experience. You will not only enjoy a sleeker design but also access to many more years of watchOS updates and exciting health features that can truly change your life. Glowing star. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any future tech reviews. See you next time. Victory hand.